Okay friends, in this video we're learning how to adjust back gesture sensitivity of your left edge screen on your Google Pixel 7a. So you can set how much space used for back gesture. So it is very simple how to do that. So open your menu, then go to settings application, then select display and touch. You can see here option of display and touch. Open that, then choose navigation mode. Okay, and it is on gesture navigation, so click that gear icon. Then you can see here left edge and right edge. You can simply swipe left side or right side to adjust the sensitivity, so like this. So you can see how much area it will be used for the gesture. You can simply adjust that area, increasing or decreasing size. So that's guys, in this way you can simply set how much space if you need for the gesture. So it is very useful and very simple. So that's guys very simple tutorial. And if you need any kind of Android or iPhone tutorial, just comment below. I will post my replays as videos so you can easily watch and understand it. And if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for getting more videos like this. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. Bye bye.